Alright. Oh, about to watch some real big motivation. New Goon Squad headquarters. Their newest video of the property that they bought and cleaning up. Boy, that would be something amazing. Have that size property and have that ability to have your own property, have a shop, have your own work capability place. Their water house back there behind them. Awesome. Well, not water house, but well house. But alright, anybody can get that type of position with this the capability of just doing this. So love and motivation to everybody. I want to take a break. I don't know when oh, I need some medicine bad. Oh, my leg is killing me. And hey, since I haven't talked about how that looked in a while, since I'm, oh shoot, about to fall. A little bit of the, come on, focus. My leg is so white, can't find it. Let me turn off this flash. Alright. So. A little bit of the scar. Alright. You can see where the scar goes all the way down to the bottom of my foot right there. And it goes all the way up my shin to about right there, the long scar. And I have holes on the side of my, like there's one there, and one there, and one there, where the screws. My leg wasn't so dirty and wet. You probably tell, but surprisingly the scar, it came out a lot better than I thought. But boy, that started killing me with my broken leg. Not to be using that as an excuse all the time, but anybody that's had a broken leg, no, I wouldn't be joking. But whoa, about to fall. I accidentally stepped on that hose right there and it rolled. Oh, I about to fall. Yep, but it keeps on walking up all the way around. Wish I had some grease. Wish I had a bigger tire rod bar. I even used that one. That one helped a lot, but I would need two of them, especially for this wide rim. But I'll take a break. I got it almost on. I was thinking about getting another tie-down strap. Excuse me. To like hook on this side, so it would be opposite to hold it down. Then just roll that what's left. But boy, that sucker is huge. It's been forever since I've done it. Never done it with a broken leg, even though it's not really all that broken anymore. But anybody know that sucker hurt. But I'm gonna watch this, take a break, get some medicine, hit my my medicine there maker. Sit here and have an Indian powwow meditating time. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Stay motivated yourself and post up your motivation videos if you feel like it. If not, just be motivated by anybody else. Love watching y'all. See y'all in a minute. Well,
on this sidewalk, you guys can sue us.
Hearing this, I've been watching this video for a minute. With this police stop. Just follow direction. Follow the law. Stop at the stop sign, kid. You got your mom complaining about everything that doesn't. Ooh. I'm gonna turn this and get to work on that.
I invested too much. All we want is the ticket. She thinks he's on probation. And probation proud of this shit. But I do both. I keep the balance with it. I'm high as a bitch, but I'm still known to keep my knowledge.
Alright. I don't know what song that was, but I'm not gonna play it. So I got this tire back on, and I just started pushing that down, and it's already about to come off, hopefully. I'm about to spray it down with a little bit more soap and get the peeling. Boy, we're still recording. Oh. I just thought about what I'm going to name this video. When you don't feel like doing it no more. When you ain't rich enough to be able to afford the nice tools or afford to be able to pay somebody else to do something. And you don't feel like doing it. Sorry, 30 minutes on this freaking... Oh, excuse me. But, man. Oh, man. She's starting to come off. I just took the strap off to rotate her around. So, see how fast I can edit this till I get done.
I don't know how long ago my phone turned off, but yeah, Aiden just came out here. I think I'm running out of time, so if it cuts off again, I'll probably have to switch over to my other record phone. So. We gotta go where the video already started. That's me sent out working up here now. See how much Aiden did by himself?
Not by myself.
Nah.
I was like this myself.
I'll give you the crate. Love you.
Yeah, look at this.
You were done before. How are you going to be good at it?
I done a little bit. But because I'm healthy, but... Where'd you at? I'll be able to see doing this. Check mine out. Oh, that didn't work.
Is it tight, right?
This nail is strong. Like, this nail right here is strong.
What I've been doing out here made it thin.
That gets engaged, right?
Nope. Takes away from the flexibility or stiffness.
Hey,
Yeah.
so you remember the video that we were doing the other day while we were playing in the bedroom?
Yeah.
Where we were talking about we were playing with the Legos and stuff?
Yeah.
I posted that video. And maybe you can be able to sit down in the video one time and we can talk about how important it is to hang out and play and do stuff one time. Oh, there it is. Huh?
Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Think that would be cool?
Yeah.
You know what a couple of people said about the videos?
What?
That it was really incredible that
I'm so creative.
yeah,
Yeah, I get that a lot.
yeah, they're just incredible. Ooh, ooh,
What? You getting it?
almost.
Close. Alright, doing much progress for a time.
You're awesome. You're Mr. Incredible.
Oh.
But yeah, people was talking about how important it is for us to play with our kids and hang out with our kids.
Yeah, I'm trying to get you old.
Call me old?
Huh?
Call me old?
No, try we get you kids. Some of them, because in a couple years I'm going to be a teenager.
You ain't even gonna want to hang out with old dad no more.
I am going to. I always hope to.
Yep, it's important times.
I might get a mustache. Because right here, your little hair is growing in.
Okay, they're your whole life. You were born with hair. That's what I told you when I shave you, when I give you a haircut. I clip your, I tell you I'm clipping your beard and your mustache area. That's why. So it grows in correctly. There we go. Before this cuts off, before I take down the rope. Thanks to my son, did everything. Help me, huh? Alright. Alright. That was cool. Alright, I'm gonna get everything undone and get ready to take this rim out so I can stretch my back out. As you can tell, I'm a little hunched over from doing that. Oh, my leg is killing me. every time I've been down, my knee just grinds from my leg not being really equipped right now. Extremely hurting real bad to be able to pick my body up. Man, I gotta send my DM to Itwit. I was joking about him doing a reaction on his channel about like him doing the music videos. Sorry, I'm kind of lightheaded and struggling with my life. So yeah, it'd be funny to see him do the reaction to me setting my tires on fire. So I was hoping to be able to set that one on fire tonight, but we see how that one went. Maybe having motivation done this one, I can have motivation to get that one done. But yep. Alright, let me get that one done. See y'all in a minute. Oh, my back's killing me. I need to watch Mr. Random. Couple videos. Alright, see y'all in a minute.